today we are gonna watch the official OST for the series, The Heart Killers. Of course, by one and only Khatam. Yay!
And for your information, she has already seen them.
Yeah, I have already. I couldn't
Yeah,
resist,
I
so
was
I
sleeping.
watched.
I was sleeping, so that was my bad. So that was my bad. So that's why we couldn't record like her reaction also. But yeah, but her
But
yeah,
I'll be excited the way I was watching when I was watching the first time. So I think it's gonna be
yeah.
fun.
But we just want to be honest that she has
Yeah,
already
yeah,
watched
yeah.
it. She has
True.
already watched it, and
Mm.
I still haven't watched it. So I don't know what's in it. So
Okay.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah.
There are few theories we are gonna pick from MV. It might be wrong
It
or
might
it
be
might
right.
be true.
It
Yeah,
might be
yeah.
right. It might
Don't
be.
judge us for our theories because
Yeah.
sometimes we can get very crazy with our
Yeah,
theories.
we just yap a lot. That's what we are
Yeah,
saying.
we tap a
Yeah,
lot.
we do yap a lot, and please don't come for us if our theories are kind of wrong. We are
Yeah,
just
yeah.
just two best friends
But
reacting to
I
the
think
things.
I think till now,
Mm-hmm.
the theories we have made, I think 95% of them were right. Like almost right, right?
Yeah, I agree though. For Forever You also,
Forever you, yeah.
the theories we made, like it was on
We're
point. It
almost
was
things.
kind of on point.
Point, yeah.
I
It's just
wish we
that
recorded that.
probably we didn't record it. Just that we just exaggerated a bit. Otherwise, I think we were on the point.
Yeah, that was the diviners. We
Yeah,
exaggerated
yeah, yeah.
everything.
We just exaggerate a few things so much, but it's fine.
It's
Yeah,
fine. But the
we are
theories
just
were kind
learning.
of right for Forever You.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, most of the time the theories we make are kind of right, huh?
Kind of right, yeah. So the theories we are making from the Heart Killers might be true.
Might be true, but we don't know GMTV yet.
We don't know, yeah.
Yeah,
We have no idea.
we just reacted to the first episode and they are cooking. Let me tell you that.
Cooking. They showed the entire trailer. I have no idea what they're gonna show the entire 12
I
episodes.
don't know that there are 12 episodes
Yeah.
and we have already seen the whole trailer.
Whole trailer, true.
Don't
true,
mind her,
true.
she's kind of bugging right now, but don't mind her
Yeah,
net, her net
oh,
issues,
sorry.
her net issues. Don't mind that.
I think I'm back. I think
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
back.
yeah, she's back, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So should we watch the MV?
yes, I think we should watch the MV now.
Okay, I think you should mainly focus on his voice and the way he sang because I don't think you have ever heard any Thai song like this.
I have
I'm
I
telling
have
you.
only heard the
Yeah, but
OSTs. I have only heard
yeah, no,
OSTs,
like
nothing
only
else.
few OSTs I'm talking about. The only the few OSTs you have seen. I don't think you have ever heard this type of OST. And the lyrics and the all the
Oh,
scenes
we
are
got
crazy.
the
So
lyrics
you
also,
should,
right? We got the lyrics also,
yeah,
right?
we got the lyrics also. I think you should watch all the three things together because that's how you're gonna enjoy the MV. Otherwise, if you focus on
Wait,
only
wait,
one
wait,
thing,
wait, what three things? MV, lyrics, and
subtitles, his voice, and the MV.
ah,
Aside from, we can talk about the theories later, but I think you should focus on this.
I need to focus on my three senses. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
what?
So should we start now?
Listening. Okay.
Ah.
Oh, this is the main OST. Yeah, this is the main OST. Wow! Wow! The MV was so good.
Your reviews, because I have already seen.
Yeah, because okay, so for
Be
the
honest.
review, for the honesty, bro, the thing is the voice is so like I really love this genre. You know the I don't know what genre it is called or whatever it is.
Same.
It's just so catchy.
Catchy.
I-
Like you know what you're watching.
Yeah,
The series is.
And I'm so thankful that this is not some basic ass shit, bro. I love uniqueness a lot. I love uniqueness in music also. Please. So this is so good. This is like I would be listening to this shit in my shower. This is so good.
It's so good. True.
Destroy love.
Like this is like I'm in my bad girl era.
I know, right? Bad bitch era. Literally.
bitch
Oh my
era,
god. Yeah. This MV was really nice. Very well put MV because they were like showing it as a first cow POV. Everything. So it's like first cow Tangar showing us what is going on in the series. So
Yeah, true.
I like the concept. The concept is really good. And it goes so well with the series. The song, the vibes, the sound, no, the voice of cow.
Cool.
Everything goes off so well with the like series. It
Also-
matches the vibe. It matches the vibe.
The series vibe, yeah.
It matches the perfect vibe for the series.
True.
Wow.
I actually wanted to talk about the theories that I collected.
Okay.
I don't know if you have observed or not.
I might recall some things. Okay.
Okay, so this is my probably sixth time watching the MV because after the release I watched 5 times, and this is the sixth time.
As we should.
As we should, yeah. So in that, there's this line where he say that you are just pretending and trying to fool me, and I'm also fooling you by showing that I love you. So what are they trying to say? Because I told you, as I told you, people who don't know my theories, please go the episode reaction.
Yeah, episode reaction. Yeah.
Yeah. There I told my theories where she
I don't
disagreed
know,
with
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Because she had her own opinions and I had mine opinions. So I told her that Khautang is still not in love with her and he won't fall in love very soon. And from the MV and from the lyrics, I think that they both are pretending and fooling each other for few episodes. And I'm very impressed by one scene actually. I think you have noticed where Jung and Dang are just hugging each
I
other.
know, right?
That was so good. I felt the love from the screen.
Me too.
Because I think when that scene came, we just
We just made the puppy face.
yeah.
The one in the shop, right? They are like dancing like
Yeah,
this.
they're dancing. Like you could see they both were so gentle with each other, especially Jung, who is not really gentle and very scary. Oh my god.
So cute. Like
So cute.
literally, we could feel the aura. The cute.
I
the
told you,
cuteness.
right?
Oh my god, that is so cute.
That was so cute.
I can't wait for that scene.
I'm
scene.
literally hoping so much from Jung Dang. I'm such a huge fan. Oh my god. So yeah.
And first Kautang are my parents, so
Yeah.
I don't know what bro, the MV is so good. Not even a joke.
I told you, didn't I?
Yeah,
when I
she-
messaged you, I messaged her about the MV. I was like, oh my god.
not just one message, huh? By the way. It was not just one message. It was
Yeah,
a
obviously.
spam. It was a
Spam.
spam. The new MV is out. The new MV is out. You have to watch the new MV. It's so good. The cow's voice is so good. The MV is so good. And I agree with everything. The
Yeah.
cow's voice is so different.
I told you, like even in Only Friends OST,
Yeah,
his voice
it
is
was normal. It was normal.
Yeah, like I thought that people could sing this type of voice.
Yeah.
But in this, he's a literally professional singer.
And like, I don't know, but like there is no like things are like I don't know what to say, but his voice changes a lot in the song.
It's
It's not the same pitch. It's not the same pitch.
Yeah. Like at some point the pitch is very low
Yeah.
and exactly in the very next
Very
second it's
high.
very high. True.
Yeah. Oh my god, that is.
And I think I don't know if I've noticed or not. There's this line where he says like something FEIGN, then Finn
Yeah,
pretending.
Finn, yeah, Finn pretending.
There's this break into the voice, into the sound.
Yeah.
Oh my god, those breaks. That is my favorite part of the song.
Like you need to process a lot for this
True,
MV.
true, true.
Like there is so much happening in the MV itself that
True.
that I don't know where to focus on. The cow's voice is changing. MV is going on. There are so many new scenes in the MV also. I don't know what to do, but like that's the like, part of the fun, part of the fun of this MV. Like it's so catchy and like so fast paced.
So
Like
fast paced. True,
you
true,
need
true.
to catch up. You need to catch up with the MV a lot.
And and my favorite scene, I think you'll agree, is where Gautam just grabs his neck. That is my favorite part. Like, oh my
That
god.
was so good.
He
That
just
was
said that you are pretending to fool me, you are just fooling me, and he grabs his neck. Oh, so nice.
cow dominant era. Let's go.
Dominate. Oh, true.
Cow first.
Yeah, so that was it.
Yeah,
Our
that was it for
theories
the-
and
Yeah, we if we were to talk, we will talk for hours. we should stop with our yapping.
yeah.
We should stop with our yapping. So yeah, that was it for the MV. We did the MV reaction. If you want to watch our full episode reaction, it will be out. I don't know which one will be going first, MV or the episode, but it will be going like right beside each other. So
Yeah, side to side only.
yes, so you can watch it there also. I hope GMTV or whoever that is don't take this video down.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. So yeah, so we will be going now. Waiting for the second episode. We will be uploading.
excited.
We will be uploading the whole series.
Yeah.
Yes. So yeah. So thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Subscribe, bell, whatever. That is everything. Yes, please do it. This is just two best friends reacting to BL together. That's it.
Yeah, that's
Nothing
it.
serious. We are not serious here. We don't appreciate the hate comments and everything. If we are talking and passionate about something, so we don't appreciate those things. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.